Good evening. Excited to meet you. My name is Armstrong Charlie. Today I'm here to present a tool that I've created for my students that will make it learning easy and enjoyable. Okay, I created this box given the era that I'm in, the school that I'm around. I'm in a deep rural area where poverty is real. So decided to create a very cheap and accessible tool. I use a boards. Then I name it. It's a color board. I separated, then wrote colors, different colors. Here I got black, I got green, I got red, blue, yellow, and brown. So what will happen, my students? We have to use this board to learn about colors. This one will make my student to know much more about colors. Unlike for me to tell them that there's green, there's blue. Here they'll learn about colors and make them understand. They'll participate in this learning. So my tool would also promote student engagement because my student, they are the one that are going to identify colors, not like me as a teacher will tell them this is red. No, I'll make them to be engageful, participate in this learning because they have to identify the colors. See here we got black, so they need to put black. They have to put this black color next to black. Next one is green. They have to take the green color and put it here. The next one is red. They have to match red. This is blue. They have to put yellow here. And the last one is brown. So my students, they have to identify colors. So this one will assist my students learn more about colors. So another thing that this one will be accessible to all my students given the era that I'm in. This is a very cheap tool. Everyone will be this one will be available to all my students, even students that maybe got some problems. They can even use this tool. So this one will make my student enjoy the lesson. They will make some fun because I have to separate my students into group. Whichever group we got all the colors right first will win. So there will be that fun. There will be engagement amongst them. They will discuss which one is black, which one is green. This one will also make my student learn more about colors, not about colors as well. Also know how to write black, also know how to write green, how to read red, how red is written, how blue. So it will make in the spelling and the writing. So this will be a deep learning for my students because also will assist them to write how to write black, how to write green. So this will be more fun for my students. I hope they'll enjoy. They'll make the learning and teaching very fun for them. Thank you.